Students, and welcome to the class of financial markets and institutions. So today's topic is the next part of the chapter financial markets. So we will study about money market in detail today. Okay, so the money market is the first component of financial market, as we already know it, right? So what is money market? Money market refers to the market where money and highly liquid marketable securities are bought and sold, having a maturity period of 1 or less than 1 year. It is not a place like the stock market, but an activity conducted by telephone or any other means. The money market constitutes a very important segment of the Indian financial system, right? The highly liquid marketable securities are also called as money market instruments. So, according to money market is the collective name given to various firms and institutions that deal in the various grades of near money. So therefore we can say that money market is a market in which short-term funds are borrowed and lent. So as the name already says, but money market is not actually a market to deal in cash or money, but it is a market to deal in near substitutes for money or alternatives for money, but not exactly money, like trade bills, treasury bills, commercial papers, certificates of deposit, call money, repurchase agreement, etc. In other words, money market is a mechanism through which short-term funds are loaned and borrowed, through which a larger part of financial transaction of a particular country or of the whole world are cleared. So money market is a mechanism or an activity through which short-term funds are loaned and borrowed. Clear? Thus, money market is a market which makes it possible for borrowers to obtain funds and for the lenders to find suitable outlets for their money. It helps the borrowers to obtain or to collect funds or to borrow funds, and it helps the lenders or the one who want to lend money or who want to invest. It helps to find suitable outlets or suitable platforms for their money for short periods, to make investments in short period, from ranging from 1 day to 12 months. So the duration in of transaction in money market is right from 1 day to 12 months, but less than 1 year. Okay. So money market is the center for dealing mainly in short-term financial assets or instruments. It meets the short-term requirements of borrowers and provides liquidity or cash to lenders. So it is a market where short-term surplus funds at the disposal of financial institutions and individuals are borrowed by the institutions and also individuals and governments. So money market includes individuals, financial and other institutions and also the government. So the people involved in, or the persons or players involved in money market are individuals, any common people, financial and other institutions, and also the government. So here the demand for money comes from merchants, traders, brokers, manufacturers, speculators, and even the government institutions. And these are the borrowers. They are the borrowers from short-term funds. So governments, traders, brokers, manufacturers all need money, right? Everybody needs money. to make investments, to buy goods, to carry out day-to-day activities. So here the money market helps them to get short-term funds to meet their expenses and also to make investments. On the other hand, the supply of short-term funds comes from commercial banks, finance companies, insurance companies and central bank of the country. So these are the lenders who provide funds to the borrowers. Who are the borrowers? Borrowers are traders, merchants, brokers, manufacturers, speculators and also even government institutions. So clear? So money market is a platform which offers borrowers and the lenders to meet and make investments or to borrow and lend. Clear? Thus, the money market is the collective or a name given to the individuals, firms and financial and other institutions that deal in various levels of near money. So it is a name given to a platform or an activity which deals in various categories of near money or the assets which are near to money or alternative to money but not money. Clear? Money is not borrowed and lent in money market. Only the assets which are very much near to money or which are substitutes or which can be used as alternative of money are borrowed and lent. It should be noted that the money market does not deal in cash or money. Clear? Don't get confused or don't get distracted by thinking that money market deals in money. No, it doesn't deal in money. It deals with the alternatives of money but not money. Keep in mind. Okay? But in near money, which consists of, so the near money or the assets which are very much near to money are trade bills, promissory notes, government securities, commercial papers, call money, etc. Clear? Okay. So where is money market located? So money market doesn't have a particular place like secondary exchange. Okay, it is not a place where the assets are borrowed and lent. No, the place is not fixed in money market. It can either be done through telephones, emails, contacts or in person, but there is no particular place for money market. It is not a actual market like vegetables markets where we get vegetables. No, money market is not a place, not a fixed place. So we can say that geographically the money market may be located in or associated with a particular place or locality but not actual place. For example, London money market is in London, New York money market is in New York. So we can associate it or we can say that the money market is located in particular place on the basis of geography. Clear? So where the London money market is an international market which attracts short-term funds from all over the world for distribution among the borrowers. And the Bombay money market on the other hand is a market where the short-term funds of not only Bombay but the whole India are attracted and are borrowed and lent. So Bombay money market only does not only deal with only Bombay. Okay, so the whole India can invest or borrow in Bombay stock market or Bombay money market. So the next is money market. As per the definition of RBI, a market for short-term financial assets that are close substitutes for money facilitates the exchange of money in primary and secondary market. So RBI says that money market is a market for short-term financial assets which are very much close substitutes of money but not money. Okay, So the money market is a activity or a mechanism that deals with the lending and borrowing of short-term funds. Short-term funds means less than 1 year. The duration of those transaction is less than 1 year. It might be a day or it might be a 12 months, but not more than 1 year or more than 12 months. Okay. Money market is a segment or a section of financial market in which financial instruments with high liquidity means which can be easily converted into cash without any loss, and very short maturities are traded. Short maturities means less than a year, so duration is less than a year are traded. The next part is features of money market. So what are the features or characteristics of money market? The first one is it is a market purely for short-term funds or financial assets called near money. So money market is only for short-term funds, not long-term funds. Money market deals only with short-term funds. The duration or the maturity period of financial assets dealt or deal which are dealt in money market are less than 1 year. Clear? So next is it deals with financial assets having a maturity period less than 1 year only. So the maturity period of short term funds should be less than 1 year, and money market deals only in short term funds. In money market, transaction cannot take place formally like stock exchange, but only through oral communication. Relevant document and written communication transaction can be done. So there is no particular place for money market. So transactions can be done with phone calls or written communication like letters, correspondences, or in-person meeting, etc. But there is no requirement that we need a particular place to carry out the transactions in money market. Understood? Okay. Next is transaction on money market can be conducted with or without the help of brokers, but stock exchange or capital market requires brokers or intermediaries, but money market does not require does not require brokers. So transactions on money market can be done without brokers, and also we can involve brokers to deal or to transact. Clear? Next, money market is not a single homogeneous market because it comprises several sub-markets. So money market has many sub-markets. Money market is further divided into many categories such as call money market, bill market, treasury market, acceptance and bill market, etc. Each of which specializes in a particular type of financing. So each segment or each component of money market is specialized in some particular activity. Therefore, money market is not a single homogeneous market. It is further divided into various categories. Next, the component of money market are the commercial banks, acceptance houses, and non-banking financial companies. So these are the institutions which deal with money market. The short-term financial assets dealt in money market are close substitutes for money because they can be converted into cash with ease, speed, without loss, and with minimum transaction cost. We call short-term financial assets as near money because they can easily be converted into cash with less consuming time and without any losses. and also minimum transaction cost can be paid. Okay, so these are the features of money market. Understood? Okay.